those shoes are nice, aren't they? Yes, very nice. What are the best hotels of your city? It is difficult to say. What are you interested in? I'm interested in foreign languages and music. What color is your bag? It's black. What does your friend Tom look like? He's tall with a beard and blue eyes. What is the best time to call you? After 5. What is the highest waterfall? The highest waterfall is Niagara Falls. What team won the last World Championship in football? The national team of France won the last World Championship in football. Where's the pharmacy? The pharmacy is next to the bank. Which do you prefer? Anything will do. Who will replace the lock? I can replace the lock in the door. Would you like some ice cream? No, thank you, it's too sweet. Can you repair the dripping tap? I can repair the dripping tap. Did you build it yourself? Absolutely. Did you win? No, I lost. Do you like to read? I don't have the time, but I used to read a lot. Do you travel often? Yes, I travel every year. Have you presented her with a kerchief? Yes, I have presented her with a kerchief. Have you read his new book? It's rubbish. How long do lions live? Lions live to be 20 years old. How much money do you have? I only have $10. Is it far from here? No, it's not too far. Is the house made of stone or bricks? The house is made of stone. Sorry, what did you say? I said, where are you from? Were they at the party? No, they weren't. What facilities do you generally find in a hotel? There are the following facilities in a hotel: currency exchange, shoe repair, laundry, hairdressers. What would you like to do now? Let's go hang out with Tom. What's that? It's a smartwatch. What's Taiwan like? Is it beautiful? I don't know. I've never been there. Who did you love the most when you were a child? I loved my mom the most since she was always there and took care of me. Will you come to class tomorrow? Yes, I will. Would you like something to eat? I'd like to have lunch. Any message for me? Yes, here's something for you. Are you allergic to anything? No, I'm not. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a sweater. Can you operate the washing machine? Yes, I operate the washing machine by myself. Can you play tennis? Yes, I can play tennis. Did you attend lectures of this professor? Yes, the professor gives lectures to our group. Did you awake before sunrise? Yes, I went fishing before sunrise. Do you mind if I use your phone? I'm sorry, but I am waiting for the call. Do you prefer traveling alone or joining a guided tour? I love backpacking with my friends who share the same interests as me. Free beer? There's no free beer. Someone's been taking you for a ride. Have you ever ascended a mountain? I have never ascended a mountain. How can I reduce my weight? You should be on a slimming diet. How old is your son? My son is 22. Is it a good hotel? Yes, it is. May I ask you a favor? Sure, what can I do for you? May I use your pen? Sure, go ahead. Thank you for your invitation. I'm glad you liked it. What are your plans for the future? I'd like to get a good education and find a well-paid job. What is the news? My sister gave birth to a boy. What time do you open? We open at 8 in the morning.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.